even if the sky is falling down.
Good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another social distancing vlog. We are still on lockdown, so I'm just going to continue with these vlogs. They seem to be doing well on my channel, so I'm just going to continue. So today is Monday. I'll put the date here because like I can't keep track of dates anymore. But I'm about to go out. I need to go to the pharmacy. I need to get some vitamin C, and then I need to re-up my skincare because I'm almost out of the stuff that I'm using, and I'm actually starting to break out. And then I want to go and buy some seedlings. I hope I can get them and find a pot as well, because I'm trying to be a plant mom. And yeah, so let's go to the pharmacy and the grocery store. Okay, so here's today's fit. Track bottoms, t-shirt, mask.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so thank you. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
Okay, so the only reason why I went to the pharmacy was to replace my sunscreen, my serum, and my facial wash. So how come I came back with all of this? Okay, so that's the sunscreen, the wash, and I didn't get one serum. I ended up getting two. This I'm gonna use at night and this in the morning. And I also got this cleansing oil because I got it as a sample when I got something last time, I don't remember, and I really loved it. And then my toner was almost finished as well, so I just ended up getting that. And I was also out of moisturizer, so yeah, there's my skincare haul. Okay, so I've been breaking out terribly, and I'm pretty sure it's because of all the stuff that I ate over the period of my birthday and after. I've been having too much sugar, and I don't know, like I just couldn't go back to healthy eating. And there are two drinks that I'm gonna start drinking. Hopefully they're gonna help clear my skin. First one is lemon water with apple cider vinegar first thing in the morning. And then I'll show you the second one, which I'm going to be taking with my breakfast later.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes.
So this is the drink that I was referring to earlier. I'm using coconut milk, and then I'm going to add a teaspoon of turmeric, some ginger powder, some cinnamon, and maybe some honey. I'm going to see how it tastes first, but if I can take it, I'm not going to add the honey. So yeah, this is supposed to help with your skin and stuff, detoxifying everything from the inside out.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if it's
Okay, so I decided to have my breakfast outside today, catch some vitamin D and chill. So I'm about to taste the latte. I hope it's nice. It's surprisingly sweet and manageable. I'm not going to be adding honey, so yay me. I'm enjoying this vibe so much, I decided to grade my papers outside. So that's probably going to be the rest of my day. I hope you can hear me. Please tell me you can hear me. But let's get to work.
sky's falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high.
Okay, so I don't know if you can see that, but someone is flying a kite from their balcony.
Trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
Hey guys, so I'm about to attempt to do a DIY sugaring wax because yeah, I tried to do the whole hair removal thing again and it's just not my thing anymore. So I'm gonna skip to a clip of how to make it, and then I'm probably gonna show you me doing something but not everything. So let's make the wax.
And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
Okay, so I'm about to try it on my arm now, and then I'm gonna do my armpits, and then I'm gonna do my so you're gonna need baby powder, and my mixture looks like this now. I'm gonna put the baby powder first. Oh, let me show you a before. I hope it can focus. Yes, finally. There's the before, and I'll show you the after just now. Righto, so I'm gonna put the baby powder first. Separating. It's all spread out now. Ooh, that wasn't even painful. Okay, let me show you. So this is the after, and yes, my arm is red, but it's super smooth. Hey, so I'm just getting ready to record a video now. So I just laid my hair, I need to do some makeup, and then hopefully I can film this before the sun goes down. Okay, so I just finished recording the video. It was about social distancing and how to cope with it. So if you haven't watched it yet, please check it out. Here it is. So now I'm about to start on meal prep. I'm meal prepping today, but tomorrow is cheat day. But you know, it is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
So yeah, let me do my meal prep and then I don't know, open a bottle of wine because it's Saturday and then chill.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Hi, good morning. Today's Sunday and I just finished taking a shower and streaming mass, so I'm about to make breakfast. Breakfast today is French toast and mimosas because Sundays are for mimosas. No, I'm joking. The thing is, I'm not drinking alcohol as much as I normally do. Like, I have champagne for my birthday that I didn't even finish. I think I drank a glass or half a glass and then that was it. So I just thought, let me make mimosas for Sunday because Sunday is also cheat day. And I am currently making the French toast. Also, please tell me why these sausages are double the price. I swear they know how good they are. Like, how can these be 15 TL when everything else is like 8 TL? But anyway, they are really nice. They're worth it. But yeah, guys.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
I might have just outdid myself. This pasta is... Okay, so I need to iron my bedding, so I'm just gonna throw on a mask so that I can do this thing whilst I'm ironing, you know, because she's a multitasker. So let's do some skincare.
I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
Okay, so I just took a shower and I'm ready for bed, and I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next Sunday.